This is our second match for our UAAP. Ay basketballista, Lasal versus Adamson. And we're live on the Facebook page of basketballista, Adamson versus Lasal.
Wala kasi pinta. Ano na to? Kaya pat naman doon mo. Asa yung t-shirt ako?
Ako picture. Ha? Picture. Bakit si pinta niya? Wala kasi pinta. Nasinta.
Kanya kami. Pagbigay kami. T-shirt ko. Yung t-shirt ko. Yung t-shirt ko.
Picture siya. Para picture.
Bakit naman ba? Hindi mo ko babayaran ko.
Hindi ka para pinta.
Libre yan sa akin ate. Ikaw naman.
First five on Adamson.
Kasunod lang sa mapa.
First five on Lasal. First five on Adamson.
Ito 50 na bigyan ko yun ha.
Pag sa isyon mo sa pipa na.
Ha?
Pag pumunta ng bayad, isyon mo para natin
Oo.
sa
Hindi ko pa kinukuha yung...
bilang.
Ball game. It's Falcons versus Lasal. Queen Archers, our second game, second match for our UAAP. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. This game is brought to you by Core Sports, Abdulaziz, and Lasal. First position of Lasal. Now King James. King James right, pass. Intercepted by Jeffrey. To the Yo-Yo Man. Rob Yo-Yo Man. It's 2-0. 2-point lead on Adamson. Now Camus. Still again by Adamson. Now Concepcion. Back to the Yo-Yo Man. Back to Lee. Drive. Lee. Bang! Basket count and one on Lee. Foul on 0. On King James. Foul on King James. First on King James. First team foul, Lasal. It's 2-4-0. Now 5-0 all by Adamson. Now Fernandez looking for King James. King James now. Drive, pass to Fernandez, kick out, Fernandez right, Fernandez, Oloy! Fernandez again! Pass! Too strong, top, Jeffrey! Now, rebound by Jeffrey. To Sergari now, Sergari. Number 2, now setting a play, Sergari drive, goes to coast, steal by Alcantara. Lee, short, Concepcion again, now Barroso, Camus. Yes, on Cabos. Now 5-2. It's 3-point lead on Adamson. Alcantara. In and out. Defense, takes defense on King James. 8 minutes. Now King James. Cardi by Lee. Fernandez. Pass to Barroso. 10 to shoot. Whoa! Barroso. 4-5. It's 1-point lead. Adamson. Lee. Bang! Oh, Lee. 8-4. 4-point lead on Adamson. Barroso. Escape. Foul. It's offensive foul on Barroso. First personal foul on Barroso. Second team foul on Lasal. Now Wonder Boy. Lee again. Lee. Looking for Gary. Sir Gary, favorite shot, short. Rebound on Camus. Now it's 3 through Lasal. Lasal, 1-1. Pass to Fernandez. Fernandez back to Camus. Favorite shot. Too strong. Rebound by Lee. Concepcion. Now Concepcion to Yo-Yo Man. Out. Traveling violation on Adamson. Turnover against Adamson. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Fernandez. Nice move. Fernandez. Still on Jeffrey. Now Gary. To Yo-Yo Man. Concepcion. Lee. Black. Lee again. Lee. Gary Barroso. In and out. Now Fernandez. Fernandez to Barroso. Paco Amos. 1-1. Camus ay sepaw. Follow Jeffrey. First on Jeffrey. First team foul on Adamson. Turnover on Lasal. It's 5 minutes and 50 seconds. First quarter. Our second game. It's Lasal against Adamson for our UAAP Season 4 bypass please na. Inbounding Yo-Yo Man to Gary. Drive. In and out. Rebound by Barroso. Now Barroso. Coast to coast. Looking for Alcantara. Turnover again on Lasal.
Oh my goodness.
It's 5 minutes and 20.
Aywa.
Gary. Bang! Circa 11-9, 11-4. 5 minutes. Fernandez.
Entertainment.
Too strong. Barroso.
Blue ball.
It's same ball. Camus.
Yo-yo.
Rebound on Barroso. Short again. Foul. Foul on number 22, King James. Second on King James. 13 foul on Lasal. Bang! On Gary, it's 14 against 4. Time out! On Lasal, it's 16-4. 12-point lead on Adamson.
Kaya na.
3 minutes and 59 seconds. Barroso. Yes, on Barroso. 6-16. It's 10-point lead on Adamson. It's same ball, same ball.
Tinan mo rin, panawakan rin po.
Barroso. Fernandez.
Yo-yo.
Camus. King James.
James.
Foul! Basket count on one of King James. Now 8-16. 8.3 on Adamson. His second team foul on Adamson.
23? Ano yun? 23.
Tingnan mo yung foul doon.
22.
Now 9-16. Concepcion! Wala mo ba yung Concepcion? Now 18-9. Still alone. Nice pass. Yes, only. 20-19. 9. It's 11-point lead against Adamson. Alcantara. Barroso. Rebound on Resergari. Now Lee. It's Lasal ball. Lasal. King James. Carly by Lee. 14 to shoot. Oh! Barroso! Coming from James. Alcantara. Alcantara. Yo-yo man, it's 22. Against 11.
Ano yung simbolan nila?
King James again. Brad. King James. It's 13 to 22. 9-point lead on Adamson. 1 minute and 10. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. It's Lasal ball. Lasal. "45 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Camus. Now 16 to 22. 35 seconds. Alcala. Block by Barroso. Still again by Alcala. Lee. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Ole! 10 seconds. Five. And now for first quarter score, it's 25 against 16.
Sir Ibrahim, mamaya third quarter, bawas-bawas tayo ha. Balot pa, magpapalot. Dunggong dyan kung third quarter ha.
Third quarter, second quarter.
Punta dito ako na yan na.
It's Adamson ball, Adamson.
Yala bola.
Adamson ball, Adamson.
Riganan, Simbaco. Sugita. La Figuera, Umali. Mark. Antin.
Now Datu. Pantual ka lang. Alcala, Drad, in and out, rebound on Abdulaziz. Short. Now Tor again. Back to Datu, 10 to shoot. 3-second violation on Adamson. It's 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Second game and second match is Lasal against Adamson. La Figuera. Charlie Datu. Short. Ipang sky. Now Alcala, foul. Foul on number 12 on Regañon. First, ang Lasal. First team foul on Regañon. Now Datu. Back to Ablasis. Alcala. Now turnover again. Now La Figuera. Now Datu. Back to Alcala. Alcala. Tall. Too strong. Top sa side to Abdulaziz. 10 to shoot. Air ball. It's Lasal ball. Lasal. It's Lasal. Oh, blue ball. 10 to shoot. He's still on. It's 2-1. Now, Simpaco. La Figuera. He's still again on Alcala. Drive, Alcala. Datu, Alcala. Abdulaziz. Air ball. Now, La Figuera.
La Figuera.
Inanagyan, La Figuera. In and out again by La Figuera. It's 7 minutes and 42 seconds. It's only 9-point lead on Adamson. Sky. Turnover again on Adamson. Still scoreless on the game. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. La Figuera. Subitan. Regañon. Whoa! Regañon. It's 18 to 25. 7-point lead on Adamson. Now Alcala. Abdulaziz. Datu, drive, Datu, pow! Foul on number 12 on Regañon. Second on Regañon. Second team foul against Lasal. 2 free throw shot by Datu. Set for shot by Datu. Now 2-on-2 by Datu. Now 27-18, back to 9-point lead on Adamson. La Figuera, back to Sigitan. Looking for La Figuera. Rebound on Alcala. Alcala looking for Abdulaziz. Alcala again. In and out, rebound Sigitan. In 6 minutes and 18. Now Alcala. Tol. In and out. Simpaco. Now Subitan. La Figuera. Umali. Foul. Foul on number 19 on Adamson. Tour. First Tour. First team foul against Adamson.
Simbaco.
19 to 27. Short. Rebound by Omali. Simbaco again. La Figuera. Yes on La Figuera. Now 21 to 27. It's 6-point lead on Adamson. Now Sky. Rebound on Simbaco. Steal. It's 5 minutes and 30 seconds. It's Adamson versus Lasal. Now La Figuera. Foul on number 25 on Sky versus Sky. Second team foul on Adamson. Basket timeout, Eric. Basket timeout.
22, 27.
Umali. Oh, timeout on Adamson. It's now 27 to 24. This timeout is brought to you by Color Sports, UFPL, and Basketballista.
Basketballista, baby. Hey, babe. Alcala.
Alcala, ganun pa rin ganyan.
Aywa. Aywa.
Nice defense on ganyan.
Aywa.
14 to shoot.
Aywa.
Tall. It's 9 seconds to shoot.
Oh, no. Ay nga ka muna.
Nine to shoot.
Bukan din na yung girlfriend. Ano pa kasi po?
Ace to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Tall. 5 to shoot. Two to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. It's Lasal ball, Lasal. It's 4 minutes and 10. Lasal ball, Lasal, Lasal ball, Lasal. Shot clock tayo, rep.
Bawian nyo!
Oo, laging ganun yan. Laging ganun.
Bawian nyo! Kanina nyo din.
Wow, offensive foul on Regañon. Regañon. Third on Regañon. Third team foul on Lasal.
First pa na ka
3 minutes.
Steal by Tor. 14 to shoot. Alcala. 10. Short. Now, Alcala. Now, Regañon. Steal again by Alcala. Now, Tor. Top. Rebound on the Brasis. Now, Campana. La Figuera. Oh, in and out by La Figuera. Rebound on Datu. Now, Alcala. 3 minutes. Tor. In and out. Umali. Cabana. Cabana. Looking for Barroso. Open jump. Barroso short up. La Figuera now. Di ba Mandato? Ang La Figuera still. Goes to goes. La Figuera. In and out tayo. Umali. Umali. Again in and out. Top. Now, di ba on Cabana? La Figuera. Black. Black again. It's Adamson ball. Oh, foul. Foul on number 12 on Regañon. Warning for penalty on Lasal. It's 29 against the 24. Tor. 14 to shoot. Abdulaziz, Black. It's Lasal ball.
Bakit ka magkatao?
2 minutes.
Ay, doon ka.
Oh, Umali. It's 26 to 29. Oh, 28 to 29. It's 1 point lead on Adamson. Now, Tor. Foul. Foul on Umali. Warning, penalty. First on Umali. Now 30 to 28. It's 1 minute and 30 seconds. Barroso.
Oh, Cabana.
1 minute and 20.
Ano pala?
Rebound by Umali. To Cabana. Yes, on Cabana. It's 30 all. 55 seconds. Now Datu.
Hawak bola!
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Goal. Foul. Foul on Barroso. Penalty. First on Barroso. It's 30 all. 30 all. Now 31 to 30. It's 1 point lead back to Adamson. 37 seconds. Foul now! Basket count and one. On tour. Foul on Barroso. Second personal foul on Barroso. Third. Now penalty on Lasal. It's 33 to 30. Foul. Foul on Sky. 30 foul on Adamson. 24 seconds.
Sky second.
Second on Sky. La Figuera, 15 seconds. Yes on La Figuera, 32 to 33. 10 seconds. 5. Yes on goal. And for second quarter score, it's 35 Against the 32.
Oh, Lasal, Lasal. Bawas tayo. Mabalance yung Lasal. Oh, bawas tayo, Basal, Lasal. Bawas tayo. Payment nyo.
Dalawang injured, wala na.
3 minutes, 3 minutes.
Sobra na. Wala na yun. Injured na eh.
Sir, babalik ka pa? Hindi. Hindi ka babalik. Dapat magbalik ka na ngayon. Dapat magbalik ka na ngayon. Kayo, dalawa. Dapat balik. Kung wala na kayo. Hindi ka makalaro. Yung injury kanina.
Wala na eh, kanina.
Is Lasal po, Lasal.
Sa Sikunebe. Wala na, injured na yun eh, si Bako.
Lasal po, Lasal, Lasal. Is Lasal, ball. Oh, plus 5 tayo ha. Plus 5 tayo, Lasal. Plus 5.
Sandali lang. Plus 5 na kami, okay, good. Wala, 3 minutes kanina, sobra pa sa 3 minutes yung injured. Wala na, pahinga na. Hindi na makabalik. Diba?
Wala, 7 minutes pa yun. 7 minutes. 3 minutes the remaining time.
7 minutes nga, Boss Mike, kanina. So 3 minutes, pag nagpahinga yung injured, di na pwedeng bumalik.
7 minutes.
Wala namang plastic.
Only 2 point lead now, Lasal. La Peguera. Nice fake by James. Foul. Foul on 0 on Datu. First on Datu. First team foul on Adamson. Now 38 to 35. 3-point lead on Adamson.
Sabi niyo, 5 minutes para lang naka-ano sila.
Short Datu. Now Lee. Curry, too strong, tap, rebound on Simbako, to King James.
Dato, kunin mo na yung Noibe.
Now Fernandez,
Kunin mo na yung Noibe.
back to James, La Peguera, 10 to shoot. Simbako, short, Simbako again. Rebound on Sergari. Now Concepcion. Oh, he's still on La Peguera. La Peguera. In and out, top. Now Concepcion, it's 2 on 2. Now Lee. Short. Top. Gary. Oh, Fernandez. Oh, James. Pass to Simbako. He's still again. King James. Yes, so King James. It's 40 to 35. It's 7 minutes and 16. Turnover again on Adamson in 8 minutes and 10. It's only 5-point lead on Lasal. Now Fernandez. James. La Peguera. Back to James. Block by Jeffrey. It's Adamson ball. Adamson. Now Gary. To Jeff. Datu. Too strong. Rebound on King James.
Figuera.
La Figuera, coast to coast. La Figuera, yes, on La Figuera, it's 42 to 35. It's 7-point lead on Lasal.
Gary.
Now King James. Black by Gary. Oh, you know, rebound by Gary. It's 3-2. Now Lee. Again on Lee. It's Fernandez. Fernandez now. Fernandez. Time out. On Adamson, it's 44 against the 35. It's 9-point lead on Lasal.
Time out. Ganawisan mo ang time out pala. Kaya ang tatang.
Sino nag-time?
Pati na pala.
Now Lee. Concepcion.
Ikot!
Too strong. Top. Rebound again by Concepcion. Short. Lee. Whoa! Lee. 37-44. It's 7-point lead on Lasal. 5 minutes.
Oh, Paolo!
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Fernandez. It's 47-37, 10-point lead on Lasal. Short. Oh, time out. On Lasal, it's 47-39, 8-point lead on Lasal. This is our second game, second match. It's Lasal versus Adamson for our UAAP. Ay basketballista. It's 47-39, only 8-point in Lasal. Tamos to La Figuera. Now La Figuera. Carried by Concepcion. La Figuera, Camus, all alone. Camus, too strong, rebound by Tor. Now Tor, guarded by La Figuera. Tor. To Gary, Sir Gary. Back to Concepcion. Concepcion fake. Concepcion, easy shot. Too strong, tap by Umali. Concepcion again. Concepcion. To Alcala. 10 to shoot. 9 to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes. Tor. Black by Umali. 5 to shoot. Cabana. Black ba. Foul on 08 on the Yo-Yo Man, Alcala. First, second on Alcala, second team foul against Adamson. Basket substitution na pa. Umali. Black! Wala black by Jeffrey. Now Concepcion. Still by Camus. Tor, foul. Foul on Camus. Substitution na up.
First.
First on Camus. First on Lasal. It's 3 minutes and 32 seconds. Still on Camus. Now La Figuera. 1 and 1. Ah, he's still on the Yo-Yo Man. 4 on 2, Yo-Yo Man. Pass. Whoa, the Yo-Yo Man is 41 to 47. 6-point lead on Lasal. Ah, now it's 3-1. Now Alcala drive, Alcala, Yo-Yo Man block. Now Cabana. Pass to Camus. Ah, it's Adamson for substitution. 47 against 41. Sub. Pasok.
Nirelease na yung bola.
Dili na! Pantay ka niya! Bakit dili? Nice! Tira!
Concepcion.
Box!
Alcala.
Isa. Ayan.
Top.
Ay, wow, wala pa din.
Now Alcantara. Fernandez to La Figuera. Substitution.
Ako may kita kayo muna ako kasi kung sunod. Kung saman mo. Atong bahin-bahin ng tao.
1 minute and 58.
Kaya ba? Ayaw ko pa doon mo ba?
Foul! Foul on number 17. Second team foul on Lasal. Foul on Alcantara.
Lonep! Ay, asla! Yeah!
1 minute and 41.
Pumasok, di ba? Hindi.
Oh, di ba Bantor? Foul on number 19 on door. 30 foul on Adamson.
Sila!
4 seconds.
Second personal foul on door.
13 pa.
Hindi mo na. Ito, masyado na ka.
It's
La Figuera! 49 to 41 is 8-point lead on Adamson. Toll! La Figuera. Alcantara. Too strong again on Sky. It's 55 seconds. Barroso, time out! On Adamson, it's 51 against 41.
Ano, magpapasan na. Ayun, hindi kaya papasok.
It's 51 seconds, 51.
Naminsan nga, Alda, nakamit ka 20.
Barroso. Now Datu. Gary. Jeffrey. Too strong. Top. Sky. To Datu. Oh! We're out against Datu. 15 seconds. 10. Bang! Oh, Alcantara. And now at third quarter, it's 54 against to 41. All by Lasal. Fourth quarter. It's Adamson ball, Adamson.
Ano lang na-score nila?
Last quarter. Now Concepcion. Lee. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Lee! Camos. Fernandez. Short. Top by Gary. Now Abdulaziz. To Jeffrey. Now Concepcion. Lee again, Lee. Too strong, top. Now Gary. Back to Concepcion. 10 to shoot. Shot. Jeffrey again, fake. Gary. Too strong, Lee. Fake. Hindi ba si Paco? Still by Abdulaziz. Lee. Short. Rebound by Concepcion. Foul on Camos. First team foul on Lasal.
Ramos second.
Second personal foul against Camos. Fourteen to shoot.
Gary.
Top, and again. Whoa! Basket count and one on Sergari. 46 against the 54. 8-point lead now on Lasal. Second team foul on Lasal. Foul on Barroso.
Wow. Baroza, third personal foul.
Third personal foul against Barroso. Now 47-54. It's 7-point lead on Lasal.
Tantang.
Too strong. Rebound by Cabana. Back to Camos. Nice pass from Camos to Barroso. Yes, on Gary. It's 49 against the 56. Seven-point lead. Camos fake. Camos ang Agawana. 10 to shoot. Air ball. Barroso. 5 to shoot. 24 shot clock violation. 24. 24 shot clock violation. 24. Net tayo. Net. Tumama sa net. Substitute sa net. Sub. Net lang. Tumama tayo sa net. Net tayo. Net. Time out. On Lasal, it's 56 against the 49. This timeout is brought to you by Color Sports, UPL, and Basketballista. It's 56 to 49. It's 6.7-point lead against Lasal. Ang Concepcion. Gary. Short. Umali. To King James. King James. Foul. Foul on Lee.
First.
First team foul on Adamson.
Wala. Extension. Swinging of elbow.
Technical foul of King James for swinging elbow. Technical foul against King James.
Matic call yun.
Ans
Foul
po yun.
number 4.
Hindi, ans po.
Foul number 4. Lee, foul number 4. Foul, technical
6 minutes,
foul.
6 minutes.
James. James third.
Stop ya.
Dato, di ba magkakan ka? Mag-sub.
Now, Lapiguera. Fernandez. Simbaco. Block by Jeffrey. Now, Simbaco again. Simbaco. Fernandez. 10 to shoot. Block. Top. Block. Simbaco. Whoa! Simbaco. It's 58 to 49. Yes, only. Now, 51 to 58.
Inuuna mo isip pangalan.
Sana na ako.
Hindi mali yun.
Top. Now, Lee. Concepcion to Lee.
What?
Bandit down and one! Only! It's 58 to 53. Foul on Lapiguera. Third on Lasal.
Lapiguera.
Second personal foul on Lapiguera. Substitution time up, sub. Only 4 din on Lasal. Now, 3 din on Lasal. It's 58 against the 55. Now, Fernandez. Guarded by Lee. Lapiguera. Short. Barroso! 60 to 55. Back to 5 din on Lasal. Lee. Fourteen to shoot. 14.
Blue ball. Bing bang. Barroso.
Alan Barroso. Warning for penalty. Lasal. Substitution time, sub.
Tor.
Four minutes and 31 seconds. It's Lasal versus Adamson. James to Fernandez. Kali Bailey. Simbaco. Lapiguera. Fernandez. Foul. Conduct violation. Against Fernandez is 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Only 5.3 Lasal. 60 to 55.
Mag-stop kami ha.
Opo. Yes, sir.
14 to shoot.
Gary.
10.
Kita kabila. Iwali.
Lee.
Bang.
Rebound ng Simbaco. Now Barroso. Guarded by Gary. Fernandez. 14 to shoot. Lapiguera. 10. Block by Jeffrey. 5. 24 shot clock violation 24. It's 3 minutes. Continues the rep. Sub. Now, Yo-Yo Man, 3 minutes.
Jeff.
Short. Rebound Concepcion. Pumping violation. It's 2 minutes and 48 seconds. It's only 60 against 55. All by Lasal. Simbaco to King James. King James. Back to La Figuera. La Figuera. Yes! Oh, La Figuera. 62-57. 5. Lee. Foul. Foul on Simbaco. Penalty. Sub-rep. First on Simbaco.
13.
$56 to 62.
Penalty na sila.
Basket substitution rep. Basket substitution. Sub-rep substitution. Pink 62 to 57.
Kuha, isa!
La Figuera. In 16 to shoot, 16. Two minutes and 15 seconds. La Figuera, 14 to shoot. 10. Bang! On Fernandez. Concepcion. Foul. Foul on Cyril Cubana, penalty.
Ayaw lagi kasuko. Pabira. Warning na kanina. Papaliwanag lang eh.
Now 58 to 64, 6-point lead on Lasal. It's 1 minute and 51 seconds last quarter.
Dalawa na lang.
Oh no!
1 minute and 46 seconds.
Mananalo ang Lasal.
Tira!
Datu.
Aywa.
Black. Dump. 1 minute and 35.
Sunbird ang kalaban nila.
La Figuera. Yes, on La Figuera. It's 66. Here to 58. Time out. On Anderson, it's 1 minute 11 seconds. One minute.
Le, pwesto le.
Gary. Wala na. Wala na yung momentum nila.
45 seconds. Second team foul on Adamson. Second team foul. Foul on number 2. 43 seconds. Third team foul on Adamson. Foul on Concepcion. 41 seconds.
Sa pang foul.
Warning for penalty on Adamson. Warning for penalty. Foul on Tor. 38 seconds. $34 seconds. 34. Penalty. $34 seconds. $30 seconds. Hirip, hirip. 21 seconds, 21. 21 seconds.
Anistila tayo, anistila, anistila.
15. 10 seconds. And per game winner is Lazar.